Today we'll be working with applications of percent problems. They'll include the markup and the selling price, the tax and the total cost, the discount and the sales price, and the tip and the total cost. Let's start with a markup and then the selling price. So a markup, we're going to have an increase. So our first example here. A store buys guitars from a manufacturer at a wholesale price of $225. The store's markup is 85%. What is the amount of the markup on the guitar? So let's highlight a few important words here and numbers. Buys a guitar from a manufacturer at the wholesale price, so it costs them $225. The markup is 85%. And we always want to read the last one to see what they're asking for. They're asking for just the markup. All right, so the cost of the guitar is $225. And then we're going to multiply the percent of the markup. So 85% is 0.85. So 225 times 0.85 is going to give us our markup. 191.25. So that's the markup. 85% of the original price. A clothing store buys a coat from a manufacturer for $87. The store uses a markup rate of 60%. What is the selling price of the coat? All right, so we start with an $87 coat. We're going to mark it up 60%, but in this case they want to know the selling price, so we need to add that back in. So let's start at the beginning. Our cost of our coat is $87. The markup is 60%, which is 0.60, or just 0.6, so times 0.6, and that's going to give us our markup. So 87 times 0.6 is 52.20. We're dealing with money, so we're going to be doing two decimal places. 52.20 is our markup. So now to get the total selling price, we need to know the cost of the coat, which is $87, plus the markup of 52.20. And when we add those together, we'll get the selling price. Of $139.20. Now let's look at some tax and total cost problems. When we're talking about tax problems, we're going to increase the money. The sales tax rate in Kim's state is 6%. If she purchases a lamp for $39.95 and a couch for $949.99, how much sales tax does she buy? Oh, so she's got a 6% part. She bought something for $39.95 and $949.99, and they want to know just the sales tax. So we first need to know the cost of the item. So we need to add these two things together, the couch and the lamp. It's $989.94. And now we need to know the sales tax is 6%, so to write that as a decimal is 0.06. Remember, we've got 6%. So we're going to move the decimal 1, 2, so it's 0.06. So all we have to do now is go back to our calculator and hit times 0.06. So $59.40 is the sales tax. All right, at dinner you ordered a meal that cost $14.28. The sales tax is 4.25%. What is the total cost of the meal? So the meal costs $4.28. We need to add some tax in there, and we need to then calculate the total cost. So what do we know? The cost of the meal is $14.28. Now, the sales tax, we move the decimal 2 places, is 0.0425. So we're going to multiply 1428 times 0.0425. So that's about 61 cents. So if we want to know the total cost of the meal, well, the cost of the meal was $14.28. Well, the sales tax was 61 cents. So we have 14.28 plus 61 is 14.89. So 14.89 is the total cost of the meal. Now let's look at discounts and the sale price. In a discount, we're going to decrease, so we're going to subtract. A pair of sneakers costs $54.99. You have a coupon for 50% off. What is the discount? So again, our highlight some important information. $54.99, 15%, and we want just the discount. So the cost of the sneakers is $54.99. The discount is 15%, so 0.15. So $54.99 times 0.15 is $8.25. And that was a discount of 0.15. Number 6. While going back to school shopping, you find 2 pairs of jeans that cost $29 each, 3 shirts that cost $16 each, and a pair of shoes for $21. What is the total sale price of these items if the store is offering a 30% discount? So let's see, we've got 2 pairs of jeans that cost $29. We have 3 shirts that cost $16 each, and just a pair of shoes that's $21. And we have a discount of 30%, but they want to know the total sales price. So first thing we need to know is how much the items cost. So we have 2 for $29 plus 3 for $16 plus the shoes for $21. So that I think is 38 plus 48 plus 21. Let's go ahead and add those. It's $107. So $107 is what the cost of the items are. So the cost of the items is $107 times the discount of 30%, which is 107 times 0.3, which is 107 times 0.3, $32.10 is our discount. So to get the total sales price, we need the cost of the item, $107, minus the discount of $32.10, and that will give us the total sales. So a shirt that costs $107, bunch of clothes. With the discount, you're going to get $74.90. So it's only going to cost you $74.90. Tip and total cost. So a tip, when you pay a tip, you're going to increase the price. Noah takes his friends out to dinner to Red Robin. The total bill is $74.39. If he gives the server a 20% tip, what is the amount of the tip? So we just want the amount of the tip. So we just need to know the total bill of $74.39 and that the tax amount is 20% or 0.2, and we're going to multiply those together. $14.98. In our final example, Rose and her three friends are eating dinner out. The bill is $56.80, including the tax, and they want to leave a tip of 20%. All right, so let's look at this for a minute. So the total bill is $56.80, and we're leaving a 20% tip, so 0.2. So what's $56.80 times 0.2? Is $11.36. Okay, so that's our tip amount. Then let's go for the total bill. We take the bill that we had of $56.80, and then the tip of $11.36, and we add those together. It's $68.16. All right, now we can answer some questions. What is the tip amount? $11.36. What is the total bill? $68.16. How much does each person pay if they split the bill equally? Well, how many people are we talking about? Rosa and her three friends. So we have Rosa plus 3 is 4. So we're going to divide the total bill of $68.16. We're going to divide it by the 4 friends. $17.04.